Hey guys, Duchess Braids here, and welcome back to
I think we're forgetting something here. The name change.
my bad. Hey guys, Duchess Lifestyle here, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what came over me when I decided to purchase this in the height of my 2-year-old being the most terrible twos anyone has ever imagined. Now she is 5, turning 6 in a month, and we've had this couch for a while. I love this couch. I'm still in love with it like I was in day one, but it is cream and it's lived in. We use it, we lay in it, we have gatherings and people sit in it, and so it's sometimes hard to keep up with trying to clean it or keep it clean. Over time, clearly there has been some wear and tear, and I'm gonna jump into showing you guys what that looks like. The first thing I want to do is completely strip the couch down so that I can see the bones of it and see what I need to clean. 2026 is really my year of turning my home into a true luxury space. I want it to look good, obviously, but I also want it to smell good. So while I'm cleaning my cream couch, I'm refreshing the blankets too, and that's where laundry sauce comes in. If I'm resetting my space, everything has to smell just as good as it looks. This is laundry sauce in Egyptian rose, and I'm not exaggerating when I say my laundry smells like perfume, not detergent. It's such an elevated scent, and it makes something as simple as washing couch blankets feel kind of indulgent. What really sold me though is that it actually cleans. These pods have a powerful enzyme blend that breaks down odors and tough stains, which matters because couch blankets see spills, makeup, food, all of it. They come out fresh, soft, and actually clean, not just covered in fragrance. I also love that the packaging is eco-friendly and made from recycled materials, so it feels good using them in my everyday routine. This is your reminder that laundry doesn't have to feel like a chore. With laundry sauce, it's just everyday luxury, and my couch has never felt or smelled this fresh. All of these were cleaned right before Thanksgiving, so they're good, but the back of the couch is dirty. So let's strip it and see what it's really looking like. So let's talk about all the things that you're gonna need to get this job done. So the first thing I did was I put some warm water in this water sprayer. The next thing you're gonna need is this Folex carpet spot remover. This is what's gonna get in the couch and pretty much try to relieve all that dirt and grime that's been building up over time. A white washcloth. Normally people would say use a microfiber towel, but those are normally colored. I don't want whatever color that is to rub off or into the couch, so I'm gonna use a white washcloth instead. Next thing you're gonna need is the Bristle Little Green Carpet Upholstery Deep Cleaner. This one has never been used, so I'm just now getting it out the box. But first, let's jump into the first couple of steps. Soak the couch with some warm water. This is gonna loosen up the fabric and whatever dirt or grime that's on it. Just help to loosen it up. And after you have the warm water on there, you want to go in with the Folex Instant Spot Remover, and you get it directly on the spots that you want to remove. Next, you want to go in with your wash rag, and if you're lucky, sometimes this could be your last and final step if the stains aren't deep within the couch. Sometimes just doing this could get most of the stain out, but my stain has been there for so long and it's so deep in the couch that I'm gonna have to go to another level to get them out. To penetrate those spots that are deep within the couch, I'm gonna go in with the Little Green Spot Remover by Bristle. This is so easy to set up. All I had to do was attach a few parts that came with it, add some water, and just start the machine, and this is going to remove most, if not all, the spots that are in the couch. finished the entire couch. My main concern is if it's gonna leave any wet spots. So far, this part of the couch is good and this part, but these are looking like it might leave those wet stains. I'm gonna hit it one more time with the vacuum just to suck up as much water as I can. But for the most part, it doesn't look brand new, but it definitely looks better, but I won't be able to tell until it's dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cushions back on. But so far, I like how much better it looks. I wish it could be better. If you don't really keep up with cleaning your couch, I just do not recommend getting that cream couch. I always look at those girls that have a bunch of little kids that have the cream couch and wonder, how are they keeping that clean? If I had to do it all over again, I probably would not get this cream couch. It cost me a pretty penny and I do love it. I love it in the house. I think it fits perfectly in here, but it's just, I don't want to look dirty. I don't like that look. So I would probably get a different color if I had to do it over, or just get professionals to come clean it yearly.